Hello and welcome to Speak English with Lourdes. My name is Lourdes. This channel is for intermediate English learners who want to speak confidently, expand their vocabulary, and communicate successfully in real life and at work. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy all the videos and come back for more. And we'll get started with our lesson today. Today's lesson is Sound Fluent Instantly, English phrases native speakers use every day. I will say each phrase slowly, then I will explain what it means. After that, you repeat the phrase with me. This is a great way to improve your pronunciation, listening, and confidence in English. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Let's begin. The first phrase is, it depends, meaning the answer can change depending on the situation. Repeat after me. It depends. The next phrase, no worries, meaning it's okay or don't worry about it. Repeat after me. No worries. The next phrase, that sounds good, meaning you use this when you agree with an idea or plan. Repeat after me. That sounds good. The next one, I'm not sure, meaning you say this when you don't know the answer. Repeat after me. I'm not sure. The next phrase, good point, meaning someone said something smart or important. Repeat after me. Good point. The next phrase, let's see, meaning you say this when you are thinking. Repeat after me. Let's see. The next one, I totally agree, meaning you strongly agree with someone. Repeat after me. I totally agree. The next phrase, not really, meaning you politely disagree. Repeat after me. Not really. The next phrase, sounds like a plan, meaning you agree with a plan. Repeat after me. Sounds like a plan. The next one, that's a good idea, meaning you like someone's suggestion. Repeat after me. That's a good idea. The next phrase, I'm running late, meaning you will arrive later than expected. Repeat after me. I'm running late. The next phrase, I'll get back to you, meaning you will answer later. Repeat after me. I'll get back to you. The next phrase, give me a second, meaning you need a short moment to think or finish something. Repeat after me. Give me a second. The next phrase, I'll think about it, meaning you need time before making a decision. Repeat after me. I'll think about it. The next phrase, that makes sense, meaning you understand and agree with something. Repeat after me. That makes sense. The next phrase, I see what you mean, meaning you understand another person's opinion. Repeat after me. I see what you mean. The next phrase, of course, meaning you say yes in a friendly and confident way. Repeat after me. Of course. The next phrase, absolutely, meaning a strong way to say yes. Repeat after me. Absolutely. The next phrase, that's interesting, meaning you are curious about something. Repeat after me. That's interesting. The following phrase, I didn't know that, meaning you learned something new. Repeat after me. I didn't know that. The next one, that's true, meaning you agree with a statement. Repeat after me. That's true. The next phrase, you're right, meaning someone else is correct. Repeat after me. You're right. The next one, what do you think? Meaning you are asking for someone's opinion. Repeat after me. What do you think? The next phrase, how about this? Meaning you are suggesting an idea. Repeat after me. How about this? The next phrase, let me check, meaning you need to confirm something. Repeat after me. Let me check. The next phrase, just a moment. Wait a short time. Repeat after me. Just a moment. The next phrase, I understand, meaning you understand someone's feelings or explanation. Repeat after me. I understand. The next phrase, that happens, meaning mistakes or problems are normal. Repeat after me. That happens. The next phrase, take your time, meaning there is no need to hurry. Repeat after me. Take your time. The last phrase, that works for me, meaning you agree with a plan or time. Repeat after me. That works for me. Great job today. You just practiced 30 English phrases that native speakers use every day. Remember, the more you listen and repeat, the more natural and confident your English will become. Try practicing these phrases again tomorrow and use them in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone learning English. And if you would like more tools, lessons, and resources to help you improve your English faster, visit my website. You'll find helpful learning tools, tips, and additional practice designed especially for English learners. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much today, friends, for practicing with me today. And remember, success in English is possible. Thank you.